Good day everyone, who are you here? In this video, I'll be showing you this Malaysia 11 Series 1 ringgit notes. Before I take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us about it. Alright, these notes is come out around 2000, and the Bank Negara Governor at the time when these notes came out is Tan Sri Dato Zeti Akhtar. This is how her signature looked like. The size of the notes is 120 mm times 65 mm. First prefix was spotted around the year 2000. The last prefix is YZ. There's replacement notes from Z, A, B, C, D, E until F. Some say ZW is a replacement notes. Of course, later on they come out another one is start from AAA until the last one was AGP that is known. But there's also a few of these starts. Another batch is of replacement notes, so ZAA, ZAB, ZAC, and yeah. I will leave the notes like this for those of you who want to see the price. But do take note that the price is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price because it may change due to certain situation. I'll leave it like this for 10 seconds. Alright, now let's take a look at the notes. I came across these notes when I need to change all my 2 ringgit to usable cash, and besides, since these are brand new condition, so I thought might as well just use it to do a video for show you all. That's how the 1 ringgit look like. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to give me a like at my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this from Steamit, don't forget to give me a upvote at the post section about it. Have a nice day everyone, goodbye.